This is a $30 race remover I got from eBay to try out, as I was having some trouble getting these bearing races out of my Vulcan Mean Streak 1600. There's not much of a lip there to get onto, so it's pretty difficult to get at the right angle and try to get these out. So I got this device. You just insert the race remover into the headstock, get the edge of the remover onto the lip and then tighten it. You can see there with this bike set up, it's very difficult to get it into position with the way it's designed, where a lot of others you'll just have a big lip there, so it'll tighten straight onto it with no drama. I found with my setup here I had to keep tightening the race remover as I got the race moving. As it come down a little bit, I could re-tighten it more and keep repeating the process so it would grip in tight. Once you get it moving, that's where you're gonna get a real good grip on the edge, because you got that gap there, as you can see. Here's a view from the top. You just need to get something to put either side to bash it down with a hammer, alternating from side to side.